Look at this scenery at the Discovery Center at Waterloo Recreation. This place has 20,000, more than 20,000 acres for you to explore. There is lakes, wetland, marshlands, hickory and oak trees. There is a center inside, which wait until you see inside. I only filmed one spot, but it was great. This has exhibits and stuff for all ages, even a small area for kids to play in the wilderness. I'm going to try to show you everything I can.
Welcome, Wandering Wheels. Today I'm showing you a little hidden gem in Michigan and take you on a beautiful scenic walk here in Michigan. It's a beautiful day and I can't wait to show you this place.
Inside the Discovery Center, you will find this beehive. And I found this really an amazing to watch. As you can see, there's different sections, and the bees can go all the way up to the top and all the way back down out this little hole outside the building. I thought this was a phenomenal way of learning about bees and making people curious on the different bees. I am allergic to bees. I would never try to go dress up into a bee attire and then go to a farm, a bee farm. That would just scare me. But this was inside the building and very safe for me and very safe for kids. As you can see, there's different sections that have lots of bees and some that didn't have any bees. And it looks like they start from the lower and work all the way up to the top. I really found this interesting. I also noticed that there was horseback trails, mountain bike trails, and these walking trails. There really is so much to see here. I would have liked to spend the whole weekend exploring around here and checking this out. So if you come over to Waterloo, I suggest at least a minimum of 2 days for everything around here. If you talk to the person at the Discovery Center, they have a wealth of information. They will tell you about Big Portage Lake for swimming,
There's all kinds of trails, ones that are paved, and then there's ones here that are very, very narrow. Lots of wildlife available to see. I keep trying to catch the birds, but they fly away before I get the camera on them. And I did notice that they had a wheelchair, I don't know the exact name, but the one with the all-terrain wheels, for if you are in a wheelchair, they have one available so you can go. It's a wider one with the triangular wheels. So I'm glad to see that this place is wheelchair accessible, and they have one for you to be able to check out. I don't know the details if you have to pay for it or if it's free. Definitely be worth checking in. If you are in a wheelchair, there's availability here for you. There's this huge spider web, and I don't know if I can get it on the camera. Well, you can see the particles in the spider web right there. You really can't see the spider web on the camera, but it literally goes from this tree right here, where is it? Right about there, and it comes all the way down to about right there, and then goes down to this tree over here, and it goes down to the ground. Oh, I wish I could get this on camera for you guys. I hate spiders, but it's pretty cool how they can make a spider web like that. Oh, maybe you can see a little bit right there. Well, I'm starting to try to learn how to do these camera. Ooh, wait a minute. Maybe right there. Always trying to learn these camera skills. I don't know. Look how big that thing is. You can see it go right from there, all the way up to the top of the screen, all the way down to the bottom. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, I'm out. I'm grossing myself out now. All the trails have markers like this. And then there's a nice map printed to see where you're at. Really nice to keep you on track if you're just doing a light hike. Most of these trails are pretty decent for walking. Some have thinner trails, and some are wider, depending on which one you prefer. But the debris and everything seems to be pretty cleared off. They don't look to be in use anymore. Some of them don't even have doorknobs on them. So I'm assuming they used to run day camps, native scenic camps, like Boy Scout or Girl Scout camps. This would be a beautiful setting for that. Definitely be my kind of Girl Scouts right here.